Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, grade 4A and 4B, welcome to all of you. This is your math teacher, Mustafa Jafarawi. Is my sound is clear? If you have any question or any problem, there is chatting and more on the right. If you have any problem, please send a message chatting. Already you have it. We have to start now. Is my sound is clear, all of you? I have to start. Okay. By the name of Allah. Today we have to start with a new chapter, chapter number 13, perimeters and areas. Lesson number 1, measure perimeter. Measure perimeter. Okay, get ready. Bring your book and open it at page number 825. 825. Okay. Good. What is the perimeter of the shapes? Perimeter is the distance around a closed shape or closed figure. If I have any shape, to find its perimeter means you have the total distance around this shape. The total distance around this shape, as you see in your book. See, the distance around a closed figure is called the perimeter. Okay, good. As you see here in this example number 1, you're to walk around a park on the rectangular path, okay, shown as you see here in the right corner. Okay, how far did Pertu walk? As you see here, this is 6 yards. Okay, 6 yards. Here I have 6. This looks like rectangle, right? Rectangular shape, rectangular path. This like a rectangle. As we studied before, rectangle has each opposite sides are equal length. So this 6 yards, the other side should be 6. This 12 yards, the opposite side, it should be the same 12. Good? Okay. The perimeter means you have to find the total distance around the shape or around the figure. I have to count all distance. 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12 around the shape. If around this shape, I have 6, 12, 6, and 12. Find the total. As you see here, add the measures of all of the sides of the figure. Add the measures of all of the sides of the figure. Here, the perimeter is 12 plus 12. 12, another 12. Plus 6 plus 6. I have here 6. The other side should be same, 6. So to find the total, which is 12 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6, it will be what? Yes, 36, as we see here. Okay, is it clear? To find the perimeter of the shape, find the total distance around the shape. This is a rectangle. Each of the sides are equal. If this is 6, it should be 6 the other side. This is 12, this should be 12 the other side. Then I have to find the total of these lengths. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 12, total it will be 24. Okay? Okay. There is a formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle. As you see here in your book, here, perimeter of a rectangle. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, add the lengths of the sides. The perimeter of rectangle also equals 2 times its length plus 2 times its width. As you see here, I have length, the opposite side same length. I have this width, the opposite side should be the same width. Okay, there are two-dimensional shape for the rectangle, length and the width. Okay, so there's a symbol or formula for perimeter of rectangle. P means length plus width, and another length plus width. So I have twice of length, 2 times length plus 2 times width. This is the formula. Pay attention. This also already common in the exam. Okay, be careful. Maybe you will have a line exam, maybe coming like this. Okay, here the formula of perimeter of a rectangle will be P equals 2 times length plus 2 times its width. Okay, okay. So I will let you with this. I'll show you the video to explain how to find or to use this formula for perimeter of a rectangle, as you see.
Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Hardesty. Let's use perimeter to solve our next problem. School. What is the perimeter of the classroom? Perimeter is the distance around. And in this case of a polygon that we recognize as a rectangle, we know that you can multiply the length times 2 and the width times 2 and add those together.
As you see, to find the perimeter means to find the distance around the shape. There is a formula to find it, okay, by using the formula of perimeter for the rectangle. 2 times the length plus 2 times width. I have length and width. Any one of them can be width and length. This may be length 20 and the width 30, or this length 30 and this width 20. Doesn't matter, okay?
In other words, we know we have 30 feet on both sides, so we can do 2 times 30. And for the width, we have 20 on both sides, and we'll do 2 times 20. 60 plus 40 as we do our multiplication, and we take the sum, and we have 100. So the perimeter of our classroom is 100 feet.
Okay. Here, I can use another thing. I cannot use a formula. So here I have 30, other side should be 30. Okay. Okay. Here I have 20. The other side should be the same, 20. So I can find perimeter to what? To do or to add the perimeter of rectangle. I can add all of these length. I have to add 30 plus 30, like this, 30 plus and then add. I have 20 this side, 20 the other side. 20 plus so the perimeter will be 30 plus 30 equals 60, 60 and 20 plus 20 equals 40, 60 plus 40 equals 100. The same result or the same answer. Ft, the unit of the length. Okay, I have two ways to use a formula of perimeter of rectangle: 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. 2 times length, 2 times 30 equals 60 plus 2 times its width. The width is 20. 2 times by 20 equals 40. Then we add 60 plus 40 equals to 100. Okay, another way I can write here 30, the other side should be 30, 20, the other side should be 20. So I can find the total distance around the shape. So I will write P means perimeter equals 30 plus 30 plus 20 plus 20. The answer would be the same 100. Is it clear? Okay. Here in your book, and page number 826, example number 2. Find the perimeter of a square with side length of 6 inches. As we know, square has 4 sides with the same length, all sides the same. So if I want to add, to find the perimeter, as we said, find the perimeter to add the whole distance around the shape. So it will be like this. Six plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. Okay, and otherwise I can use, you see here, here I have 6 is repeated. How many times? 4 times, that 4 sides for the square. So I can write 6 times by 4. Okay? Okay. So I can rewrite it like this. 4 times by 6. 4 is the number of the sides of the square. S means the side length of the square. I can use this formula for perimeter of a square. P equals 4 times S. 4 means the number of sides of the square. S the side length of the square. So I have the side length of this square is 6 inch. So I can write 4 times by 6, which is 24. Okay? Okay. As you see here in this video, another one.
Hello, this is Mrs. Workman. Find the perimeter of a square with a side of 5 inches. The key word here is perimeter. Before we begin the problem, let's refresh our memories about perimeter. Perimeter is equal to the distance around a figure. So take a minute and draw a square. I've done that, and we're told that this square has a side of 5 inches. So we know that a square has 4 sides that are equal in length. So I'm going to mark all of that all the way around. All 4 sides are 5 inches.
See, as you see here, a square of side length 5 inch means all sides should be the same length, 5, 5, 5, and 5. To find its perimeter.
Now there's 2 ways we can do this problem. The first way is, since perimeter is equal to the distance around, I'm just going to start right here and go all the way around, adding up the sides. So that would be 5 inches plus 5 inches plus 5 inches plus 5 inches. And 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20.
Okay, as you see, the first way I can find the total around the shape. Around 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. The total distance. The answer will be 20. This is the first way. Okay?
So that tells me that the perimeter is 20 inches. Here's another way to look at the problem. Since a square has 4 sides, all equal in length, instead of adding 4 5s together, we can multiply 4 times 5 inches.
As you see, the second way, I can use a formula of what? Of perimeter of a square, which is 4 times s. What for? Number of sides, because the square has 4 sides, all them the same length. So I can say 4 times s. What mean s? Means side length. The side length is 5, so to be 4 times by 5. As
4
you see.
times 5 is 20. So the perimeter is, once again, 20 inches. 2 different ways of finding the perimeter of a square with side of 5 inches.
Okay, is it clear? Okay. Here in your book, page number 826, I have a guided practice number 1 and 2. Find each perimeter. I have in number 1, what I have in number 1? Square, right. And number 2, I have a rectangle. Okay, you can use any way. You have 2 ways to find the total, to add or use a formula. Up to you. Which easier for you, you can go ahead with it. Okay, number 1, I have a square. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. This way. Another way, use a formula to write 4 times the side length. Yes, 4 times the side length. The side length of the square, I have it, is what? Yes, 8. So I have to multiply 4 times by 8. 4 times 8 equals what? Yes, 32. So the perimeter will be 32 centimeters. As we see. Okay, good. Yes, Fahad. Fahad Al-Anazi raised his hand. Yes, Fahad. Can you write in chatting what you want? What's your question, Fahad? Okay. Okay. Number 2, I have what? I have a rectangle. I can add all the sides, or I can use a formula. Formula means perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. 2 times length, 2 times the width, I have to write here 2 times width. Which width? Sorry, which 2 times length? What is the length? You can use 4 or 7, any one of them. Okay, 2 times by 7 plus 2 times by 4. The other dimensional, which is width. So I have to multiply 2 times 7 equals what? Yes, 2 times 7 equals 14. There is someone use pen, please. Don't use your pen, please. If you have any question, there is a chatting. You can write your question, please. 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 2 times by 4 equals, yes, 2 times by 4 equals to 8. So the answer will be 14 plus 8 equals to 22 inches. Okay, as you see. And otherwise, I can add 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. I can do like this, perimeter equal, another way, I can add all the distance around the shape. 7 plus 7